Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and now we have to focus on this option bar and enter the settings which are in the left corner. And as you can see here, actually on the 4th position we've got the timer, so let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now the timer is off, this option is marked, but we can set either 3 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the delay, just tap on the option. I will pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is notified right here, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, it will work the same with 2 seconds delay, but obviously it will count down from 2. So of course you can turn off the timer just by tapping on off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without the countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.